Hi, this is Satish here from Autofocus. Now we got a very old car, 1998 Toyota Land Cruiser Cygnus model V8 for projectors upgrade. Well, this car comes with projectors by default. This is the halogen projectors. Back then, like 25 years back, Toyota have given halogen projectors with this car. So now the performance of the projectors became very low because the internal chrome coating became very dull. So even after upgrading the LEDs or HIDs, it doesn't work out. So we have recommended to change it to BILED laser projectors. So we took this projectors off and we made a custom bracket so that it will exactly fit and to retain the OE look. So we don't want to disturb any of the internal components. So we removed this. We made a design prototype of this frame, and we made a custom brackets to fit this OE brackets to fit this Sky5 inside the OE headlights. So and this is the outcome. So after upgrade, this is how it looks. So it will not disturb any of your aesthetic appearance of the car. So come, let us go and check the light output of it and performance. And for even color temperature, we have upgraded high beam to LED, and parking bulbs also we have upgraded to LED so that it looks even all over. So come, let us go and check the light output of it. Thank you.